Install Internet Download Manager (IDM) to stop waiting for your downloads. You will be truly amazed how fast IDM downloads your files. IDM will also repair broken and resume interrupted downloads due to lost connections, network problems, computer shutdowns, or unexpected power outages. Our powerful download engine uses unique algorithms to receive internet data in a fastest possible way. IDM will accelerate downloads all times because of its innovative dynamic file segmentation technology. Unlike other download managers and accelerators, IDM segments downloaded files dynamically during download process, and it reuses available connections without additional connect and login stages to achieve the best possible acceleration performance. Our engineers have a lot of experience in download acceleration, and we constantly improve this download engine since 1999. IDM integrates seamlessly into Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer, AOL, MSN, Maxthon, and all other popular browsers. We develop browser extensions since 1999, and we have the best engineering solutions available today.